Today I have a super fun, easy DIY game that you can play in two different ways with a simple acrylic case and dice from the dollar store. The Dollar Tree offers these clear acrylic beauty organizers. You can use them for nail polish, lipsticks, but today we are using them for a fun game, combining them with the dice sets that you can get at the Dollar Tree as well. And there's two fun ways to play this game. The first is that you're going to turn it on the side so that all of the small compartments are at the top and the large compartments at the bottom. And you're going to use a single die, put it inside. You're gonna try and shake it and get it to go from the top box to the middle box to the third box and finally down to the bottom box. This one definitely takes a lot of time. It's a great way to entertain the kids for a long time. But I love it. The challenge is so hard, but it's so much fun at the same time. And if you want to play it a different way, just flip the acrylic case the way that it's meant to be used. And on this one, you're going to simply make the die jump from level to level to level until you get down to the bottom one, trying to do it 4 in a row, and then you win. Hope you enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more ideas for DIY games, I will put a link to those in the description down below. We also have a lot of ideas for Dollar Tree games. I think you'll enjoy those, so check those out as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.